Hello and welcome back to our series. Previously we have made this window here. Here we have extracted their data what are stored in this. Now I want to make here one, two and three buttons so we can assess these three classes differently. Here all class 4 will be here, all class 3 or 2 something that the teacher teach will get in different class. And first of all it will be of 3a or we can print of all. Let's we will make this command to this. Now before that we have to do, I have not do there things here where that view is. Before that we have to delete that record. Here I will make records is equal to I will make TV the children. TV means we have make the true get. This may be like this. Children here. Here we have to pass 4 rows in records and we have to delete that TV dot delete we have to delete that rows. Now I will make first of all one function. Let's make 3 button first of all. First of all we will make 3 button here. Here we pad y I have not give here. Let's give that same pad y here and let's paste it here. Let's see what we have in the option. The option we have 3rd A, 4A and 4th C. Let's make button 3A is equal to button. I have to pass here window and text is equal to I will pass as same as this so that we can get same here. 3rd A wide should be of at least 20 and let's make this everything like this, but we will change that command here. And let's make it. We will change that command in coming video. We will not click that button. 3 dot grid, we should grid on row 4 and column I should make column is equal to 0 and I will pass simply pad y and I will pass also pad x. Let's copy this line here. Let's copy this for 2 times. This is 4b and this should be like, we will pass here some values for b. Where is our that button? Where our button has been gone? I have forgot that button. Where we have made this? Yes, we have made here to pass here fourth b, and let's make this and copy this, paste it here, and just change the margin. This is 1, this is 2, and this should be same as previous, and this should be as this, paste, and we will make C here, and this is 4C. Let's run and see if our button has been graded. It is giving me some error in this line. Why it is giving me foreground is equal to, I have written wide previously, so let's make this erase, and this should be also erase here, and this should be save and run it. Now it is giving me some error. Button 3A is BAT on BRT on. Where is this BR? This is BTN. Let's save and run it. Teacher, user. Yes, we are getting 3A, 4, 5, and this is now nice looking. We'll change this value here to, let's see, this should be of height is not matching with this. We will change this height to a smaller one. That should be where our height of this TK is. Let's say here height is equal to, I will make only 10 here, and let's make scroll bar. I'll make scroll bar here. Scroll bar is equal to yes, scroll bar. I should pass this to window here, and we have to pass the orientation of scroll bar. Let's pass orient or ENT is equal to, I will pass this vertical. I have to pass this in the vertical, and I have to make this like what I want to make orientation, and I should make this command equal to tv.y view. Let's grid it. I will grid it on row is equal to row is equal to 5, and column is equal to 3, and here sticky is equal to, I will pass it to north south ns. Let's make this ns, and tv dot configure, we will pass yscroll command dot scroll bar dot set. Here we not dot, here is equal to, let's view it here, and we will make the function of viewing different data in next video. Let's see it if it is not giving error. But it is giving us error. Scroll bar, yes, I have made this big mistake here. We should not make such mistake here, and this is like this. This should be also same, and run it. Now it should grade it properly. I think yes, it is grading here, and it should stick with this, but it is going upward because we have not paired it. Let's pad it here, same and pad y, we only pass pad y to it, and let's save it. Now it will give us perfect here. Teacher user, and here we will pass here it is giving. We can make this here, and we can make forward. Now I will make this to column 2 and see if we got the right answer. Here it is going to give this. Let's pad x to 50 and we will see the difference. Let's pad x. You have to pad x to, we have to make this 50 comma 0 5. This should be it is not padding me. Yes, it is padding me 50. I need more 50. I will make it. I should make it. It is giving me again error, so I should look upon it, and I will look it upon in next video because we have nothing to do there and it is not giving us. Again it is not making 150 also. Here tree get children is not working. We will make this. Let's make column, this is 3, and we will change this wide of this a little bit, and let's remove this padding x. We are tired of doing this. We will change here 150 150 150, and let's make some changes here of wide. I will make this 200. This is 200 for, I think this should be for as this is for name 200, and this is subject code. I will make for the subject 200, and this is percentage, no need to, and this is 200. It should change us to let's make this all 200. Let's see if we make this 200. It is giving me error here, something is wrong here. Column is equal to here, should be removed. Again it is not working so properly here, and next video I will manage this and I will make this window so good. This will be here, and I will leave this video here. Thank you.